Hi guys, it's Mr. Pharma. One of our followers, after watching the video on high paid pharma jobs, asked us to explain about drug inspector. So whoever has done B.PHARM course or doing a pharma course, their goal and target will be getting the prestigious dream job, the drug inspector. There are so many things that are unknown or very old information about drug inspector which is misleading. So today we shall see A to Z about drug inspector. So welcome guys, this is Pharma Portal, the pharma you need to know, share and grow. This video is for basic understanding and learning purposes only. The content and facts may change time to time basis, so viewers' discretion is advised. So who is the drug inspector? A drug inspector is a person who is an expert in monitoring and executing efficacy, safety, quality and usefulness of drugs from the production phase to the final marketing phase. So what is the scope of drug inspector? India is the largest producer of generic medicine and ranks third worldwide in production based on the volume and is the source for 60,000 plus generic brands. India is also the country for 3,000 plus pharma companies and 10,500 plus manufacturing facilities. Hence there is a huge demand to check the quality, safety and efficacy of the drug products. Until there is a disease and disorders, there will be always a need for medicines. Until medicines are there, there will be a need of a person who always needs to check the quality and safety of time. Hence there is a huge scope for drug inspectors. So what are the drug inspectors' duties? The drug inspectors are appointed by central and state government departments who generally ensure the quality, efficacy and safety of the drugs according to the necessity of Cosmetics and Drugs Act 1940. The roles and responsibilities of drug inspector usually is to perform field duty and inspect various medical stores and institutions. They support CDSEO and SDSEO according to their job profile and designations. The main role is to examine from production to sale of a drug product. So what are the powers given for a drug inspector? A drug inspector can inspect any facilities, take samples from any premises wherein any drug, cosmetics is being manufactured, stocked or exhibited or distributed. If a drug inspector has a reason to believe that there is an offense under the chapter of Drug and Cosmetic Act, he can search any person, search any place, search any vehicle and examine any record. If any person is obstructing the drug inspector's duty, it can cost the person 3 years imprisonment or a fine or even both. Now let us see the types of drug inspector. There are two types of drug inspector. The central drug inspector, where the central drug inspector is selected through the Union Public Service Commission exams and will act as the drug inspector for the central government. The other is the state drug inspector. The state drug inspector represent the individual states and they are appointed for and will be selected through the respective state Public Service Commission exams. The rules and norms for selection of state drug inspector may vary state to state and differ in many factors such as age, language, experience, etc. Let us see the eligibility for a drug inspector. The educational qualification is the degree in pharmacy or pharmaceutical science or medicine with specialization in clinical pharmacology or microbiology or equivalent from a recognized university and must have an experience of 18 months in the manufacture of at least one of the substance specified in the Schedule C list or 18 months experience in the manufacturing and testing of at least one of the substance specified in Schedule C list or 3 years of experience in inspection of firms manufacturing of any substance specified in Schedule C list. Age limit ranges between 21 to 30 years. There is also a requirement of certificate of physical fitness and there is a requirement of adequate knowledge of regional language. So let us see the drug inspector UPSC syllabus and its format. The test will be CBRT, computer based recruitment test, where the maximum mark is for 302 hours of duration and it will be in English medium and will have a multiple choice questions with a negative marking. For syllabus, pause the video here and read out the requirements as it is self-explanatory. So for state public service commission exams, the formats may vary but the syllabus is almost the same. So here I have taken an example of a state public service commission exam for a drug inspector where the exam format is conducted as 2 exam papers and 1 face-to-face interview. Based on the merit list, you will be selected for drug inspector posting. The syllabus contains paper 1 and paper 2 where the paper 1 contains forensic pharmacy, manufacturing pharmacy, pharmaceutical analysis, medicinal chemistry, pharmacognosy, pharmacology and toxicology, hospital and clinical pharmacy, and anatomy, physiology, and health education as the main chapters. And for paper 2, it is all about general knowledge. The content in paper 1 may vary depending on state to state requirements. So we can find the drug inspector exam notification in UPSC and state PSC website and news magazine and employment journals and LinkedIn. The exam fees is around rupees 150 to 250 and varies depending on states. And the application procedure for UPSC recruitment is the eligible candidates can apply online through UPSC website. They can click on new registration if they are a new user and log in with the registration number and password and fill the details on the application form and upload the scanned photo and signature. And finally pay the application fee and submit the application form. The State Public Service Commission exams will be notified on respect to SPSC website and application procedures vary state to state. So now let us see the most important topic, the drug inspector salary. The central government appointed drug inspector salary structure is higher from the ones appointed by the state government. As per the pay matrix level 7, a drug inspector earns around 45,000 per month to 1,45,000 per month depending on the level of experience. The initial salary starts from 30,000 and above. Here are some books that you can use for drug inspector exam preparation: Forensic Pharmacy by C. Copte, Pharmaceutics 1 and General Dispensing, Pharmacy by Gupta, Dispensing Pharmacy by Cooperangan, Tutorial Pharmacy by Cooperangan, Textbook of Forensic Pharmacy by G.P. Mohanty, and Lucen's General Knowledge by Lucen. So let us see the merits and demerits of being a drug inspector. The merits include high salary, government servant benefits, high power, and it is a prestigious profession in pharma industry. So what are the demerits? The demerits includes the high responsibilities. The second demerit is to deal with the legal conditions and procedures. Third most important demerit is the social threats. So what are the frequency of DA jobs? The frequency of DA job vacancy is very less and the recruitment doesn't take place every year. If there are vacancies, it is very less in numbers and the competition is also very high. Hope you liked this video. Encourage us by hitting the like button. If you have any question, post it in the comments and share this video to your friends and family. Most importantly, subscribe and press the bell icon for regular notifications from our Pharma portal channel. Bye.